Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair states that Miswar bin Makhrama and Abdul Rahman bin Al-Qari narrated to him that he heard Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu say, in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, I heard Hisham bin Hakim reciting the chapter Al-Furqan in a mode different to the one I learned from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I was about to assault him even during the prayer, but I exercised patience until he performed salutation. I then put my sheet around his neck and said, Who has taught you this chapter in this mode in which I have heard you reciting? He replied, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught me. I said, You are telling a lie, as Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught it to me in a way different to it. So I dragged him to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and there I submitted. I have heard him reciting the chapter Furqan in a mode different to the one you have taught me. Thereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Leave him, O Hisham, read it. So he recited the chapter Al-Furqan in a way as I had heard him reciting. Whereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, It has been revealed in the same way. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, O Umar, recite it. So I recited it as he had taught me. Thereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, It has been revealed in the same way. Undoubtedly, the Quran has been revealed in 7 modes of recitations. So recite in the mode convenient for you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4992.